The food that you order in a restaurant is a metaphorical example of statement of profit and loss. Because guess what? You all have focus on it, just like the investor has the focus on P&L. However, the water that comes along is important, but we don't focus on that too much. Just like investor does not focus on other comprehensive income. Let us understand this difference in detail. So statement of profit and loss is the primary statement and other comprehensive income is a secondary statement. Not because P&L is important and OCI is not important, but just that investor focuses on it more, just like you focus on your food more than your water. Now, if I talk about what goes into P&L and what goes into OCI and the reason behind that, for example, you buy a property that is your investment property. Your purpose of that property is capital appreciation. And if you make a gain on it, if there is a fair value increase on that property, that shall go via P&L because then the objective is met. However, if the same capital appreciation happens on a property like your restaurant, which is basically used for business, then that gain is a secondary thing. Your first objective is to use that property for business. So that gain goes via OCI. So whatever meets my objective and is primary goes to P&L, and whatever is secondary that goes to OCI because it has less investor focus. I hope you understand this. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my